The best apple pie is a cast iron skillet apple pie. Preheat the skillet for a few minutes, sprinkle some water, and when it sizzles, it means that it's ready to cook. Add butter and brown sugar to make the caramel. I love using cast iron skillets for the apple pie as the heat retention properties and the versatility of moving it from the stove to the oven give that extra touch of flavor. Stir the caramel constantly, and when it's ready, add the dough. Make sure to cover the edges and cut the extra dough. Now, fill it up with chopped apples mixed with lemon, cinnamon, and sugar. Use every drop of juice and cover it up with another layer of dough. Brush it with egg whites and add some sugar to give that beautiful golden color and crisp. Be careful, very important, make a few cuts to let it breathe. Finally, bake it at 350 degrees for 60 minutes and enjoy your apple pie.